Here we go. YouTube just wanted me to be late for a minute. That's why I didn't want to start. I don't get YouTube. I don't get live streaming on. I get uploading videos is quite nice and doing that stuff. Live streaming on YouTube is not really well executed, technically seen. It's bullshit, technically seen. Does it even work? Do you even see me? Do you even hear me? Hi. Someone on YouTube say hi, please, so I know it works. Hey, you're back, Rogue Devil. Hey, hi. You're on Twitch. I need someone on YouTube to tell me hi. And then we can dive in. We can get into the bitrate is 5.3 kilobit per second. That is 1,000. You said hi. Okay, good. Hey, Shreyas, thank you. Thanks a lot. And hi, Michael. I don't know. I'm still checking out some settings. The current bitrate of the stream is incredibly low. Is the quality okay? Do you see me? Can you even what? I'm on it. I'm on it, guys. I'm on it. Hi from YouTube. Great. Thanks, Volo Games. Hi. Is the quality okay? Strange. Let me check it out. YouTube myself, I guess. Yeah, everything's okay. Quality's okay. Really strange. Okay, yeah, it seems fine. I don't get it. It says I have an upload of 5.31 kilobyte, which is nothing. But okay. Cool. Thanks, everyone. Hi, Hartox. Hi, everyone. So we're going to work on we're going to continue working on the tool, on the mechatronics software simulation learning tool, whatever it is. It still doesn't have a name. I worked on it actually a lot, and I also worked on it today, and I'm stuck a little bit. But I promise, like with the name of the stream, I promise to push out a second version today, like an early alpha again, where you can do way more than in the first one. The problem is I don't know if that's gonna work. It probably does, but it won't be bug-free. There's one thing I actually have a lot of issues right now, and that is, in theory, it's current, but right now I'm working with it as its voltages. It's freaking stupid. You'll see. I'll get into it. I'll explain when I'm at it. Why am I so tall? How's everyone doing? Are you doing good? Having a great day? That's good. Cause I have. And now we're gonna go technical. And there we go. You still have my chat? Yeah, I do it. Sorry, box. The problem is not really box, but the feature itself does not work 100%. I think so. Now I'm pretty sure. So here's the thing. Okay, here's the state. If you remember, wait, let me actually deactivate all of this. Let me say create empty. We're gonna call that training 03. I'm gonna push all of those in there. Gonna deactivate it. Whatever I'm doing doesn't matter. Don't worry. And I think what I published was training 2. What did I publish? No, I training 1. There we go. That's I did a lot of things still. Oh, right. Still working on the 1 week. You're still working on the 1 week game? I mean, of course you're still working on it. It takes a long time. It's not like done. Okay. That's the state. I'll give this a solid. Let's do it in full screen and maximize and all that kind of stuff. I don't care. Does that work? Yeah, there we go. So, you remember there were more components here last time. I can add them, but they probably still, all of them are broken. Plonk. Okay, and all of this worked already. I broke it all. It's all broken as of now, I guess. I think. I'm not sure. What's wrong with my hair? Why doesn't my hair look like shit? It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Just don't look at me. You're gonna go eat, have a good dinner or lunch or whatever you have right now. I wouldn't know. Or breakfast. So all of these. As you remember last time, we could turn on and off and things were interconnected and it all works. As it is right now, things are not connected anymore. And this might even work here. This might still work. So what I've been working on, I could now actually upload this and let you test it. I'll test it until like this fuse here or something. What we can do now is actually a lot. Like a lot. If it comes to final hardware, software product, it's a lot. Nothing is connected anymore. Nothing is connected. Nothing is connected. What we can do now is connect things with each other. Before we could repair. I think one of those was broken or something in the demo. I don't know. But everything was connected. Now nothing is connected anymore. And one task, of course, of an automation, of a person working in automation is wiring those. And how do they need to be wired? What needs to be connected where? So, for example, if I take the switch here, this one there, the on-off switch, the main switch, I can now connect. It's got 6 connectors, and L1, L2, L3, T1, T2, T3, and those need to be connected somewhere in order to make the system run. And it's the same for example, the power supply, for the fuse, for everything. So let's go on and let's connect. Let's actually try if it still works, because I think I might have broken it. It might still work. Parts of it. I can't remember. Hi Utkal, hi. So let's connect the switch to the power supply. What is that? To the socket, wall socket? Yeah, to the grid. So I can click on connect now on my L1, right? That's the L1 I want to connect from my switch. And I want to connect it to this component. But now I would need to know what's the component name. It's P0. So I can now search for component P0. And I want to connect to P0. Let's say I want to connect to L1. That's this. Let's connect there. And now this connection L1 of my switch is connected to the wall socket. So it's wired. I just made the wiring. Of course, in reality, you would have to do it manually, and you take a wire and yada, yada, yada. In the software, you do it by pressing the connect button, and now they're connected. On the counterpart, this one here is now also connected. L1 is also connected to L1. If I click on connect, it will tell me PO L1 is connected to SL L1, which is this one is SL. Right? So every component has connections, and everything can be interconnected. And you see, and this is where automation gets complicated, where engineering gets complicated, where technology gets complicated. What do we need to connect where? Do you see how many freaking signals we have down here? That is a lot. Like, that's a lot. Let's make this LED. This one's got an LED. Let's actually turn the LED on. Just by connecting. I don't know if that still works. Thanks for my efforts. You're welcome, Ali. You're very welcome. So this one is illuminated. So I can theoretically connect it A1, A2. Okay. So let's get this going. I don't know if this works. I think I broke a lot of things. So in order to connect the LED, so PB1, the LED, is A1 and A2. What's this thing here? T1. Let's actually get through the fuse. So fuse 2 out shall be connected to PB1 A1, which is the input for the LED. The output, yeah. And the input of this should be connected to the 24 volts on this, to 1L plus. Input is connected to 1L plus. That didn't work. Oh, it's a connection. 1L plus, of course. Boink. I was like, why does that not work? That should work. So that's connected. Now the push button, of course, needs to be ground, needs to the lower side. 0 volts, A2 needs to be connected to the 0 volt of the power supply. Let's do that. So A2 needs to be connected to, I guess I called it M? No, I didn't. Shit. How did I call it? 1L minus. Shut up. Of course I did. Open is 1L minus. So you see, we can make connections, which is a huge thing. And making it with those filters that I have and searching, and this is it's a crazy amount of programming actually went into it. God, I hope it works now. So this one here needs to be connected to that one, so F1. So here L1 needs to be connected to F1, whatever the connection is, I don't know. Out. Neutral needs to be neutral. I'm gonna connect directly to the power supply here, to the wall socket, which is, I don't know, but it's neutral, so it could be P0, I guess. Neutral. There we go. Got it. Seems good. I don't know what I'm doing, so perfect. This is connected. L1 is now connected. If I connect one side, the other side will automatically connect as well. Crazy, isn't it? This one should be connected to the switch. Let's go in and let's go to the switch. Let's go L1 on the switch. It's probably S1. It is. And S1, of course, the switch L1 needs to be connected to this one here, which is right now connected to in. What? In of what? F1 in? What? F1? F1 in. Of course, this should not be L1, this should be T1. Quest. I'm an idiot. This should be L1 of the P0. There we go. So in theory, so this is how you can wire things now, which I know it doesn't seem crazy, but it is. It has been such a pain in the ass, some of it. It should have worked. Let's see if it works now. If I flip the switch, the LED should turn on. It does. You can barely see it because I've got lighting off or something. But yes, it did come on. So if I flip the circuit breaker here, it should turn on. Oh God, this works. Can't believe it works. I love it. Yes. Okay, so that's what I've been working on. This I could already publish, and we could now connect all of this and make it run. Here's one problem and that's the one I try to work on. I will work on now. We will have why am I so small now? We have a problem. We have a problem right now. This is not the only component that is connected to neutral, or this has to be connected to neutral as well, to zero potential. This has to be connected to a zero potential. This one only has, well, it has 2 outputs for zero potential, but we need 3 right now. So the component that I've been working on, and that component is an extreme pain in the ass. Can I say that? Yeah, I probably can. That component is, of course, a terminal block, like a distribution device. And that's what I'll work on today. I already worked on it a lot, but it doesn't work 100%. It still has issues. We'll see. Maybe you can help me. But that worked. Fascinating. What happens if I disconnect something now? Let me see. If I disconnect the... So this works. If I disconnect this one here now, the out, I'll connect to something else. I don't even care what it is. There. It actually turns off. I now have a short circuit. That's a different story. Yeah, I've got a short circuit, but yeah. You don't like the... Why do you not like the Leitungsschutzschalter? The LS? Leitungsschutzschalter? LSS? Why don't you like it? I copied it. It's an exact copy of the thing. It's exactly how it works, man. So I should also be able to reconnect it. It turns on, but that's what they do. That's what they do. They are green if you turn them on, isn't it? Mm-hmm. I'm pretty sure they are. My PC is going crazy. No, actually it's the other way around. You're right. Which makes sense because they say green is safe. Yeah, exactly what you mean. Good. That makes more sense actually. Yeah, good. Let's fix that. Let's fix that right now. Makes sense. So I've got the little green box here, as you can see. Which is just like a box. Why does it have a collider? This should not have a collider. Oh, I can't. The karaoke. Mag ich? Maki? I can't spell, I can't pronounce your name, but hi. Yeah, I know you're right. I know you're right. Hey, Stevie, hi. You came for your daily doses of Unity. Yes, you're right here. This is the right place. Let's not do that. Let's just do the opposite here. But you're right. It makes sense to invert those. Okay, we're already troubleshooting now. We're fixing things here and there. I don't know what I'm doing. Done. That's it, I think. Breaker green. Do I use it somewhere else? Change state. I'm using... Okay, I mean, yeah, makes sense. Okay. It's karaoke. Your nickname is karaoke now. Yeah, it is. Officially, it's karaoke now. Like this, Hartux, is that better? Is that better? Now I would have to rewire everything because I don't have a save function, but I won't do that. But I'm fascinated that it worked. I'm really fascinated. It's better. Okay. Yeah. No, thank you. Really, thank you, because it was a mistake. It was wrong. What happens if I connect this directly to the cylinder? Can I? I don't know if pneumatic connections actually work. What's that thing called? V0. Theoretically, it should extend. What's the output? 1 or 2? Why did I call it 1 and 2? Why not in and out or so? V0 2. It should extend. It doesn't. Why doesn't? Oh, I did not do the pressure part yet. I did not correctly do the pressure part, did I? No, it's open connection. Why is it an open connection still? Huh? Why is it still... I did not really work with the pressure, and I did not do the coding. I concentrated on electrical first. I probably need to copy and paste a lot for it. I know I worked object-oriented, but I did not really... Like, 50% is object-oriented, the other 50% is just me fooling around. But that's an issue for another day. The issue now that I want to face is... Hi, Canada. Hi. The issue I want to face now is another thing. And that thing was not in training 1, doink, but in training 3 that I have started making. And you will see there is something in training 3 that I have just talked about. Those things, terminals. We've got little terminal blocks. We've got those small ones, and I also have chunky 10 ones with 10 connections. The block should be red, not orange. That highly depends on the manufacturer. I've seen red and orange. Why is that a different color than this? Strange. Hi, Lilo. Hi. Hi, Franklin. The software does not have a name yet, Franklin. Give it a good one. It doesn't have one yet. So I have those terminal blocks, and what are those used for? Hey, you connect ground to one of them, or 0 volts, whatever you call it, and then it propagates to all of the others. Like, it's distributing the voltage, right? And that's exactly what I've been working on. Why is that? Yeah, hate it. Original prefab. I hate it. And this one will get a terminal block. How do I call this? Give me a second. Sorry. What? Terminal. It's just terminal. Fuck. Terminal. And I'll call it chunky. Nothing. Chunky. Am I mechanical engineer? No, not at all. I had mechatronics. I have an apprenticeship. Is it called apprenticeship? No. Apprenticeship in... Like, I have a degree in... Apprenticeship degree? In mechatronics, but I have a bachelor's in electrical engineering, actually. Oh, I spy the Siemens. They're not red. I just looked at the Siemens ones. I literally Googled them. They might be red though. I don't know. I just see them on. There's ABB, orange. I won't change it because that would be a pain in the ass right now. Did we just find one? I don't have one at home, so I can't look it up. But I downloaded the model. I downloaded the model on the official website. And the orange, maybe the orange is not orange. God, it's orange. It's gonna stay orange. That's not the issue. That's not the thing I want to work on. I will now, because why not? Break a green. I can't. Because this object has a color, and this color is driven by the official Siemens model. It's the official Siemens model. It's 100% the correct color. I won't change it. The green, I could agree. That I made, but no. Orange is orange. Okay, so we've got the 10 block here. Let's delete this and that, I guess. I haven't tested the 10 one. Maybe it works, maybe it doesn't. Don't know, actually. Perfect. Let's see if the 10 even works. I don't know. That's small. Does it work even? Chunky does not have any connection because Terminal has, but Chunky doesn't. You file a complaint to Siemens, then it's orange. It's not red. Yes, please file a complaint. All of these do not have the thing, that's why. Doink. Let's make this one as well. Oh god, that's gonna be annoying. Give me a second. Because I need to rename all of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hi, Alex. What's up? Not much. Just programming a little bit. I want to push out another demo today that you can play with. I mean, this already worked, so I could theoretically already push this out and say, hey, this works. Let's see if I can fix the problem that I still have. Yeah, so this has 10 contexts. That is a lot of contexts this chunky boy has. So what I've been working on, a lot, as you can maybe tell. I said it 10 times. I worked on a lot. But what I've been working on last is this thing. And also, for having a connection to ground again, it's not enough to connect to 0 volts. You actually have to close an electrical loop. So there is an attribute an electrical contact can have, and that attribute is called isSource in my case. It's probably hard to read depending on your resolution, but I've got a property called isSource. If it's a source, it cannot be changed. The voltage cannot be changed. But also, if it's source and it is neutral, right? If it's neutral and the source, that means it's the end point. It's, so to say, the end point of an electric loop, of the electric circuit, right? And that one, this is neutral attribute, needs to be propagated, it needs to be pushed to the other contacts that are connected to it. So if I connect now this block of 10 contacts to it, all of the contacts should have this isNeutral attribute, because they all can be the endpoint of an electric circuit. Right? All right. Does that make sense? Can someone confirm? Does someone understand electrical engineering? Can you confirm? That's what we have the neutral for. We need to close the loop and it goes back to the neutral, and this is the end of the loop. So right now, if I connect this to the neutral, it should, all of the contacts here, they should get the attribute isNeutral. I think it even works already, but there's a lot of issues still. So if I connect one of them, because they're all jumpered, all of them are jumpered. If I connect and say this is connected to neutral. Hi, Diego. Hi. This is, what even is that? X0, right? X0 probably. Neutral. So if I click that, you see this is neutral came on for all of them. So that works. All of them are now is neutral, which is like the end of the loop. Right? Get it? Does that make sense? Hey, Roy. Will all the electricals have some potential? What do you exactly mean with potential? I mean, it depends. It depends on. Depends on, yeah. What is it doesn't have a name, Vedic. No. Now disconnect. Shut up, Hartux. Shut up. And that might be an issue if I now disconnect. So if I connect this to something else. Let's say I connect it to this one here. To this one. Now all of them should not have is neutral anymore. And that works. Why does that work? It works. Why are there so many pre-game stages? Call it something. Hey, Carol. There's the thing is, if it's an alpha version, and this is an alpha is usually not accessible by the public. So everyone that has the alpha is basically from the developer team. So everyone that can use this, I will push it on later and give you a link. You will be included in my developer team. You work for me now, everyone. You won't get paid or anything, but you are now officially my subordinates. Is this coding or game making software? It's both, Vedic. I'm coding on the side. Like I've got my code here. But the 3D and stuff, this is of course all. I don't code in 3D. I mean, I created the models and stuff, but that's it. So it works. Kind of. There was still something. I even made notes what doesn't work yet. I looked in my lamp and now I have this little dot in my eye where I can see. Angeschlossen an Neutralleiterquelle. This one worked. This one I tested. This one worked. And then I had 4 more states that don't work. I have like test cases. When I program something, I'm usually testing it. And those are the test cases. I haven't even programmed those yet. Am I drinking whiskey? I don't, not really. Could we technically get you arrested for not paying workers? I don't know, Carol. Probably, yeah. Please file a complaint. Please. Make a huge case out of it. Sue me. I said it live on stream. God damn it, I'm gonna go to prison. No. So that worked. I'm pretty sure the other stages don't work yet. The other things, if I switch it to another terminal block or so, it doesn't work. Or if it's got like a double connection or so. But let me see. What is that one, by the way? That is annoying. Let me see. Just got some McDonald's hot chocolate. Ooh, the good old Maccadees. Maccadees? How's it called? How do the kids call McDonald's nowadays? When I was a kid, we always called it Mecca's. And I'm preparing like a level here that you can play with. I'm listening to music, by the way, in the background. What song is it? It doesn't want to start, really. Zeko Wing tonight. You see a red button? What red button? There's no red button. Hey, Bitson. Yeehaw! Oh, I mean, hell. Yeehaw! Do you know Nelson? Do you know one memes? I love memes, by the way. Do you know Nelson? I can probably find it. I love Nelson. Nelson meme. You reminded me of Nelson. No, where is it? Where's Nelson? Oh, come on, give me the thing. Yeah, that's it. That.
Hey, Nelson.
Hey, Nelson.
Nelson. Can I get a... Oh, yeah.
Nelson is so lovely. You reminded me of him, Bitzone. That's all. That's on. Oh, Nelson. I love Nelson. Yeehaw! Good old Nelson. You gotta love him. No, I'll do you one better. Yeehaw! My voice. Okay. So I've got this one. This one can be connected here. What I also want is, like, I'm creating this level now. I'll save it, I'll upload it, and then you can play around with it a little bit. It's still broken. Like, the connection to ground is still broken, the neutral connection. I know there's some things are still broken. And I know it. But the main thing should work. Do you know any way to simulate Modbus? I don't. It's on, communication is always very difficult to simulate. What else do I want in here? I want a power supply. Won't help. Search by type. I only want a prefab. Power supply. There we go. Bronk. Aren't we all broken? A little bit. I'm not that broken, actually. A little bit, but not as much as most people my age are. Can we wire PLC and put a ladder pro in? Yes, Alilu. Yeah. Not yet. That is one big part that's gonna come later on. But yes, where is the PLC? Prefab. PLC. That Chonko boy, yeah. And then you can connect this to the real physical PLC or with a simulation. And you can run the whole system using that. On the list. You can download Modbus test software. Ooh. So, okay, this needs to be connected there, but also in before. Of course, what are we going to put in before? We are going to put a breaker. Wait, no, that was wrong. Breaker. But only give me prefabs, please. So that one needs to go in before. Whoop. Frightened dog. I know the sizes and stuff is not 100% correct right now, but I don't care. So I want one before the hand. I want one breaker afterwards. What do I want then? So that's the 24 volts. That's the breaker. Then I want a push button. Is that the push button? No, this one here, right? Yeah, it's the prefab. Want the push button. And then I want an LED or something. Just a huge PLC, basically. I can do that. You will also get the feature to build your own levels. It's not like it's all built. You will have to build your own things. So Hartux, in the end, you can make your own. Email notification on S7-1500, can you make it? I did not really read my emails, like my Hagamol emails in some time, but I don't think so. I don't know, sorry. Yeah. So you're gonna have like a level editor. That's the main thing actually that I want. Because that's of course the most used. And then you have like conveyor belts and robotic arms that can move servos, that kind of stuff. Small things that you can add. What I'm still working on is like this, the engine, right? But the engine is semi-done. Yeah, it's semi-done. So what we need is like a light, like a lamp. Okay, guys, you gotta decide now. Did I sing Seven Nation Army? I don't even remember. Wait, Seven Nation Army. Yeah, that definitely was it, and it wasn't just me. Really being bad at singing. So lamp, not lamp. Industrial. And I'm gonna make an industrial lamp now. And then we're gonna put that there, and then that's the level. That's all. All of this is not industrial. What the fuck? Best version of Seven Nation Army. Thank you. Hatox, we can work together. If I have a version that kind of works or so, we can work together on it or so. But right now I'm just doing this. And the best thing is, very soon I will have a lot of vacation, so I've got a lot of time to work on it. Like those lights. I know those lights. Oh, you can see it. I like those. Do you know those? These lights? Shall we add this? It's all decorating style, right? Yeah, I don't like it. Like this one here? It's pretty cool. Does anyone have a nice like this? I like this lamp. Let's build this one. Yeah, I know those. So those are cool. That's okay. That's probably, I should do that off stream there. The bullseye lamp? What's a bullseye lamp? Okay, I didn't know. Cool. That's cool. Let's maybe search an image. Let's take one of those. I think this one here is fine. This one is cool. This one looks... They all look the same. That's cool. I want one that's pretty much from a good perspective. I think this one is okay. Yeah, I'll just quickly build it. I'll just quickly build it in Blender. It's gonna take like 5 minutes. And then we're good. Desktop. I can't save the fucking file. Reminds you of the smart home project your group never did. Weidmann Industrial Lights. Weidmann Industrial. Hi Fabian. Weidmann Industrial Lights. That's what I'm gonna get. That's what I'm getting. Not so much. Oh no. No, I want the lamp. We're gonna build the lamp now. I can add things. We can easily add things later on. Blender it is. Okay, guys. Do you want to see me speedrun this? You do, right? You want agricultural light? Agricultural light? Oh, those things. Those real UV. Oh, this looks pretty cool actually. Like it. Yeah. Oh, those LED things also pretty cool. Yeah. But I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this thing now. Right, this thing. Can I save it? Whoa. Okay, let's speedrun this. Let's speedrun this bad boy. Let's add a cube. Let's scale it down to... How big are they? Like this, right? What is that? 20 centimeters? 15, 20? That's 30? That's too big. They're like 20 centimeters. So let's make that 15. 0.15, whoops. 15 centimeters. Let's zoom in there. Let's scale the Z down. Choink. Let's scale the X. Blonk. Let's scale the Z down even further. That's going to be the ground plate. It's going to be like the ground plate. Allow me to create a sent in my email address is... What? 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 What are you talking about? So now I need this to extrude, right? And look at what I'm doing. Look at what I'm doing. I know I am skilled. I definitely know what I'm doing. Because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go here, snap that in half, grab all of it, grab these, grab this, delete the vertices. Got it. Perfect. Great. Love it. I know what I'm doing. And then I'm gonna put on the whole thing, I'm gonna put a so-called modifier, and that modifier is gonna be a mirror. And I want to mirror at the y-axis, and you see, ooh, look at this. Now we would have this. How many screens do I use? 3. One there, one there, one there. I've got 3. Theoretically, I've got 4 because my camera also has one now. But 3 screens. So, okay, you wanna see this? Like this lamp has this curve here now, right? Which is like, I would need to make a lot of dots and then curve it, because there's no real curves. Well, rich, it's not like I'm rich, no. Unfortunately not. So look at this. I'm gonna extrude this. You see it extrudes both sides. And then I'll do it in a couple of steps. And I'm just gonna scale it down like this. And then we're gonna have like a nice... I'm gonna have like a nice curve here in the end, right? That's exactly what I want. Right? You see that? Kind of looks okay. Something like that, and scale the X down. Grab Y, and we have a nice finishing touch. And that's the curve there in the end, right? That's this curve here in the end. I could have made a curve as well, but nah, that's fine. Looks good. Looks good, right? Perfect. Yeah. Maybe I could have done it a bit better. Because it's, whoops, grab Y. It's a bit more, like, it's a bit more wide, actually. Ugh. And grab Y. What am I doing? Grab Y. That's fine, that's fine. Would be if you had 3 screens of the kind I use. Like my screens there, they're okay. Like that's the only thing that I put in a little bit of money is my PC setup. I don't have anything like that. I got an LED. Why did I not just go with the LED? I already have LEDs. It's okay. It doesn't matter. Let's make a new folder. Let's call that 28 wall light. I'm gonna call it wall light. And it's gonna work 24 with 24 volts for whatever reason. You love PLCs. And now what we have here is this. I'm using very low poly, but I can right click and I can say shade smooth. And now it would be like no edges anymore. Which I might do that in the end. I don't know. It can be a bit edgy right now. Edgy. One thing that I don't like. Hey, Rabia. Hi. You have an ultra-wide Alienware. Nah, I don't like the ultra-wide ones. I really like my 3-screen setup. So what I need to do is the following. I need to... I want this to be the center point here. Like, when we install it, I want this to be the ground plate that we can install it on, right? So we need that as a ground plate. And that is exactly what I will do. I will put the cursor here. Right. And then I'll say this one here, object, set origin to the cursor. And now this is the 0 point. There we go. Now it's on the ground plate. So I have this reference picture on the side. If you want this reference picture as well, here I'm posting it. I'm giving it to you. Here's the reference picture. That's the one we're building. That is the one. If you've got any complaints, shut up. Okay. So I want all of this, and then we see a small edge there. So I've got this. I will do that. Why is that? Something is strange there, but okay. Something strange here. Something is a bit off, but okay. I don't know how to work on a single 24-inch. I like to separate it. That's why I've got 3. I've got really one for my stream. I've got one for my notes and stuff, and I've got one that I work on. It's pretty much the same that I've always worked like this. Something is wrong here at the end, but I can't be bothered right now because there's a slight edge there. Did I scale it wrong? There's a slight edge on everything. This is stupid. Something is wrong there. Still a slight edge. Strange. Doesn't matter. It's okay. So what I can do is this now. I can select all of this and I can extrude it to the center. I want this to be gone, by the way. And I can extrude it. And then we're going to have like this little indent, as you can see. Something in the front really isn't right. Here it works fine, but there is something wrong. No, it's fine. It's fine. No, something is broken. Why is it broken? How did I break it? Doesn't matter, it's fine. It's okay again, so who cares? What? How did I break it? Shut up. Shut up, I'm working on it. Heh, it is already broken now. See, you wanted to see me speedrun this, right? But you won't because I have no idea what I'm doing. Heh? It kind of disconnected here automatically already. Which is fine by me because I can do the following. Oh, this can fuck off, man. Yeah, all of this can already go away. Because I'll mirror it also that way. It's a 2-time mirroring. Yeah. Around the X. There we go. That makes it easier. Always mirror. Whenever you 3D design, always mirror everything. Everything can be mirrored. Okay. Here you go, like this. And then I can extrude this one down there, but I won't do that yet because I need to push that further up. And yeah, we're making a lamp now. No. That's quite small. All of this needs to be going down a bit as well. This needs to go down as well again. Okay. And now it's actually very simple again. Why doesn't it close the loop anymore? What the fucking hell? Sorry. Sorry for cursing, but I do it when it the thing deserves to be done. And now I need to curve it. Like, this is gonna be the light on top. So what I need to do is I really need to curve this like a lot. So the first thing is this. I need to scale this in. But not really. The problem is that this edge also gets scaled with it, because it's not a closed circuit. God, I don't know what I'm doing. Apply what? No. Doink. Still looks okay. Good. I didn't break it 100%. Why is it not looping? Something is like immensely broken already. Shit. Sehr schön. Nah, not really, but thanks. Nah. What the fuck? Okay, here's what I can do. I can do this, and then I can do this, and then only that stuff is selected, right? Yeah. God, I'm such a beginner in this bullshit. Wait. All of that was stupid. Take it back, take it back, take it. Go, 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 back, 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 back. Yeah. Okay. Because what I'll do now is I'll just take the thing and put it on top. I'll make another light, I'll put it on top, and then I'll be done. Okay. Good, 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 good. Great, actually, indeed. Why is that not connecting here? Get it. What? What the fuck? What the fuck? And yeah, I'm gonna continue cursing. Because something is not... Why is it already broken? How did the thing already break? Why is it not connecting? What the fuck? I actually like that it has like this gap now. Yeah, that gap, that's there for some reason. I like it. That gap's gonna stay. Let's apply. Shitty fucky hell. That's okay. I like it. I like this. This has reasons. And then I want the lamp thingy on top. Let's actually make it more... Can I draw a curve and then just extrude it? I don't know. Hey, Brahim. Hi. I can just misshape a sphere, basically, but no. Let's do the cube thing. It's okay. I'll do it. I'll do it. I'll do it. I'll just do the thing. I'm gonna have this. We're gonna scale it in the Y direction. Lamp is gonna sit there. It's okay. It's okay, guys. Don't you worry. Don't you worry. I don't know what I'm doing. Don't you worry. What? Okay, that's gonna be the lamp. It's gonna be like this, but I need to curve it. All directions need to be curved. So what I need to do is draw the thing. I need to draw this again, what I had here, and then just curve it all around. Exactly the same stuff we had earlier. Let's do it. God damn it, what am I even doing? So how's everyone doing? How's your day, guys? How is your day? Have you learned something nice lately? Have you read something nice? What did you do? What's going on, guys? God, I thought this would be so much easier. I'm sorry. Hey, Jinxie. What's up? How you doing? Demo's out nicely. The one demo came out last week, I think 2 weeks ago. I'll push out the next demo after the stream. I probably have 1 hour to go, but I can easily do it. I can easily make a demo. Sure. Hey, Master of the Miracle. That's the case, and that is the lamp. Let's call that one the lamp. Your income is minus 300? Oh God. Don't start YouTube. If you need income, don't start YouTube. But minus 300. I mean, it could be worse, couldn't it? You still have food on your table. That's all you need. Can I kind of like unsubdivide? Unsubdivide? No. Merge those. Merge? Subdivide? No, there's gotta be something like separate, clean up, show height. No. I know there is. That doesn't matter. That was a joke. You're chilling and doing nothing. Great. I mean, minus 300 is still not too bad. I remember when I was studying, I earned like while in my studies, I did do a study program. I got like 500 euros a month. Started at 300, I think. And I could easily live off it. Didn't pay rent though. But food and everything I paid for. Real gangsters with no income. I don't have internet. True. Why did that select everything? Why did that select everything? That should not have selected anything. What's this? Okay, and now I'll just do the extrude and scale. Extrude, scale. Extrude, scale. Hey, Portman Pro. Hey, thank you. Hey, I gotta do the dance now. Thanks a lot. 2 months. How quick does a month go by? This is crazy. Does that look shitty? That looks okay. Maybe even like this. Scale it up a bit. This. Let's make one more step. I gotta say, I'm pretty bad at making 3D models, but it's a lot of fun. I'm still having fun making it. Looks okay. All of this looks just like a brick. I could now cut into it and do that kind of stuff. I should. I won't right now. I'll do this. I'll do like, this is a smooth. Yeah, look, now it looks much better actually. You're finally starting to get a hang of the tier pot. You're getting a hang of. Yeah, it takes a long time. Getting into tier, it takes some time. Hey Eunice, hi. I mean, that looks okay-ish. So if I smooth this, that looks shit. If I'm making UI, yeah, everything can be a nightmare. 3D models, look at it. I wanted to create. Wait, look at this versus this. I mean, it takes some time now. Actually, if you want to do it correct, it takes some time. I want to do those things probably. No, I don't want to. But what I want to do is now. Let's give it some color. Let's give it some color. And then I'll edit. I'm tired of it already. It's the... What's this? It's the case. Let's give the case, like, not a base color. Let's actually... Should we paint on it a little bit? It looks quite good to me. Okay. Does it look... Okay. Then that's great. That's bad? I would say it's not too nice. Did I ever try SolidWorks? Hey, Mattia. I worked with Siemens NX, of course, and with Autodesk Inventor. But I didn't work with SolidWorks. Let's give this a nice grayish color. I could give it a structure, like also texture, material, and that stuff. Maybe at some point. Not right now. I don't want to. Lamp. Let's call that lamp. RGB. Can I set it? Is this an alpha? Yeah. Okay, this is an alpha. So it's more yellowish, actually. Like the light itself, the thingy, the case, has a little yellowish stitch, like a little bit. It's okay. All of this looks like shit, man. It's a wooden base. Do you want a wood base? I could give it a wooden base. Let's keep it as is for now. This right now is free. This is Blender. Blender is free. That's why I'm using it. And like Blender. So okay, I think I'm good for now. Case and lamp. It's a collection. I think it needs like a... Does it need a group? I'll put the lamp in the case as like parenting. I'll hit all and I'll apply all the transforms. And the last thing I want to do is still here, even though they are going to be empty. They are not going to do anything. Can I have like an empty element? No. What? Empty there. Empty circle? What? That doesn't matter. Let's make it a mesh. I don't care. Brrrt. Yeah, but the mesh doesn't have a mesh actually. Can delete it. Delete. Nah, I can't. Okay. How do I just make an empty thing here? Kidding me? I did that before, but I forgot how. No, I didn't. Oh, right. Streaming on Mixer, working on Blender. Not streaming on Mixer. I'm streaming on Chatterbait. Is that still a thing? Does it still exist? Let's say that is in. No, how are the contacts called with a lamp? Is it called L line and ground, or what is it called actually? Let's call it L1 and neutral. I don't know. Whoops. I don't like the yellow, but we can change. It can change everything, looks and so on later on. I need an intern for that. Now we should have the lamp here somewhere. Wall light, there it is. Component, the wall light. There we go. Really, it's not doing that. L and PE. I don't really have a PE, but I should probably have the PE. You're right. Let's add the PE. L N. Let's just call that N then. And let's also make PE. Depends on the lamp though, but yeah, let's just put it there. It doesn't do anything, but let's just put it there for best practice. The materials don't work. It won't be exported for whatever reason. Do I need to make it a picture? Hey Kevin, hi. Do I need to make it a picture? I just made the terminal yesterday. Did I make it? Didn't I make it a material? It's also just the material, right? Yeah. And to make this the base color? I don't need to save this. Does it need to be like here and grayish? Okay. Bit yellowy. Hey, is that more? Do I have to do this? This doesn't make sense for me. Oh, I do. Okay. That's okay. Is it see-through? It's not see-through. Why do game devs spare polygons in 3D games? Whoops. That is, yeah. Because why would I not? Is there a 5 alpha? Is that okay? Oh, it doesn't give the alpha value with it. Are you kidding me? I might, like this one here, for example, has a billion tries, but it doesn't need to. Like, I download this model. Why would I? Like, nah. I'll make it pretty in the end at some point. Okay, here's what I'll do. I'm way too lazy right now. Extract the materials, put them in comp of the wall light. Yeah. Let's take the lamp and let's make the alpha a bit. What? Why does the alpha not work? Kidding me? Oh, am I stupid? Oh, peg. Oh, yeah. I am. There we go. Is ugly as hell. I love it. Okay. Let's make that a prefab. Perfect. Let's add something to this prefab. Where is it? The light. There we go. The light will have a thing called the lamp. No, the light itself will have a thing, and that thing is called a light. Is a point light. It's got a range of 10. It's gonna be real time. Yeah, sure. It's color. Let's make it a bit yellowy. I like yellowy light. A bit orangey. A bit orangey yellowy. Looks more natural. Okay. You don't see it in the inside, but it actually shines through. You see that. You see how it's there. Let's see how that looks like. You're not interested in 3D? You're welcome, Kevin. You're welcome. Like, this is gonna be 3D at some point. So the lamp, you actually see the light coming from it. Where is it there? Let's make it more intense. It's the sun now. You can actually see it. The problem is you can't see it because of that thing. What happens if I actually... Let's take the lamp actually has the lights. Maybe that'll change things a little bit. I got only the bad graphics engine installed in this project. Why is it there now? I mean, if I do this actually looks kinda better. It looks like it's on, at least. I know it's kind of stupid, but why not? Yeah, I like this. I know it's stupid. I know. Please don't judge me for it or something. Yeah, look at this. This is neat. Maybe it's even too strong. No, range is 10 is okay. Maybe the intensity is a bit too high. Let's make it 0 to 5. No, let's make it 10. It's the sun now. No, intensity of 1 is fine. It doesn't matter. Intensity of 1 is fine. So all I need to do is now make a script for this lamp, actually. I have one for LEDs. Why did I create a lamp? Why did I now do the lamp if I only need like an LED? Because I have the LED prepared. It's there and it works. No, it's not just a script. It's just a script. Ah, this stupid LED is nothing. Okay, great. I don't have an LED. Okay, let's make a quick script for the wall lights. Then I'll save it. And we'll see. We'll see from there. Add component. This will be wall light. Hello. Okay, let's script. So it's actually pretty simple. So the wall light is going to be an electrical component. The wall light has 3 electrical contacts. One is called L. Let's just call it L. L? L plus L in. Definitely. And then we have another one, electrical contact neutral. Let's call it a line, actually. Let's just call it line. That's what the L stands for. So let's just do it right. Neutral, and it's got an electrical contact. That one is called... What is that one called? P. So it's got one public bool. That's called active. Is active. That it. And it's got one public. I want that on top. It's got one. Did I enjoy Far Cry 6? Not that much, Portman. I enjoyed it. Like, I didn't even continue after the stream. I played it for maybe an hour after stream, but it's a shooter like all others. I kind of get bored by those. It's a good game. I would probably recommend it, but it's just not my type. Public light. Light lamp. Light lamp. It's gonna be the light lamp. Actually, that can be private. I thought it's just more Far Cry, nothing revolutionary. No, it's nothing revolutionary. Not at all. It really isn't. So on start, private override. God damn it. There we go. Public override start. I'll just play. Yeah, just play Far Cry 5. It's not worth buying it. I didn't buy it. I have it in my Uplay subscription, which I pay for anyway, and it's like $15. So. Light lamp is a component. Component in children. That one is a light. On the update function, if active, then light lamp enabled true. If not, if it's inactive, then it's inactive. I can just write it like this. Coding. Wow, I love it. Don't forget the is broken. If it's part of the script. The is broken, I don't need it. I mean, it needs to be in here. And this will be part of the is active. It cannot be active if it's broken. That will go into this. But the is broken is automatically in because it's in part of electrical component. Part of component, actually. It's in there. Yeah. So how do I actually get is active? And that's where the is broken comes into play. So if it's connected to line, and if it's connected to neutral, it needs to be connected to both. I mean, those, I don't need that, but okay. No, this actually doesn't need to happen. If line voltage is greater than, let's say, 20 volts, and no, not and. So if the line voltage is greater than the neutral voltage, then and not broken. And there's your broken. Then we will just activate it. Else it's not active. That's it. I mean, it's very simple. It's just a lamp. There's nothing complex about it. I probably forgot something, but I don't care. Yeah. That's it. That's the whole thing. Wow. Magic. There's definitely something that doesn't work. Yeah. I did. That's exactly why I have object-oriented programming. So I don't have to redo a lot of things. I could still have made it much more efficient. I didn't, but yeah. Why does the wall script not have the... Huh? Aren't those public? Oh, those need to be public. Whoops. There's a lot of behavior already pre-given with the other scripts that I've made. So this is line, does not have electrical components. Gimme. Electrical contacts. This one here will be L1. How do we call it for L? Just L? Let's just call it L. N. And P. We don't need to connect PE, but I'll just have it there. L. N. PE. There we go. Component name. What about lamps? P? Is P a lamp? No. Oh. Lamp. I'll just call it lamp. You still don't understand how to program object-oriented? Yeah, it's not too complex in the end. Once you get it, once you understand why it's done, it's like it's easy to do. The problem with Unity is C# is an object-oriented programming language. Unity itself is object-oriented, so it's kind of double object-oriented, which is kind of strange. It's not the best point. If you want to learn it, it's not the best point. Let's actually do the wall light. Let's turn the lamp off as standard, because that would be kind of annoying. So let's test it. I probably still have full screen on. No, I don't. So the wall light, if I say is active, which I cannot right now because hey, it's got voltage connected to it. If I say this here is 24 volts, 25, the light will be on. Below, it's off. It's too bright. Maybe it's too bright. I don't know. I don't care. It works. Applying it to projects is quite tough. For me, of course, objects make sense because A, I've got Especially for, what's it called? Vererbung. For parents and children. Like, because I've got electrical components, I've got components, and I've got electrical. And they vererben, meine Güte. They're connected. God damn it, I can't think right now. I'm not here for teaching right now, so I won't explain it. Inheritance, yeah, inheritance. This is just, I mean, heritage, yeah, that's das Erbe, but inheritance is in programming. You're right. Thanks. Doink, that works. So if I now would press the button, the light should go on. Can I actually do that already? Wait, I didn't think this far. Can I do it? Make a guess. Can I do? Is it gonna work? Make a guess right now. Is it? If I now, nothing here is connected. If I now go in there and connect it, I'll do it. I'm going to be crazy. I'll do it. No, it doesn't work yet. One thing is missing, the lamp in my scripts. I cannot select the lamp yet. If I do this, and I try to click on the lamp, I cannot click on the lamp. That's missing, of course. So the first thing, the lamp needs to have a collider. How big is that? Nah, not just there, the whole thing. Oops. Yeah. Like this. And I also need to add the lamp into like the script. My script is called the component interface. And I need to make it interactable, which is open interface. And this is the biggest function I've written in this program, which is called component interface. And it's got, how many lines does this have? This one, alone this one function has 450 lines of code. Love it. So I want to have lights. How do I call it light? How do I actually call it? Wall light? Wall light. Let's call it wall light. So wall light, I will need to do a lot of things with wall light. This is just my scripting. I could have made this easier. Yeah. I think that's impressive. 500 lines of code, not even 450. Nah. That's okay. Most of it is copy and paste. You'll see that in a second, actually. Can I minimize everything automatically? Look at this. Yeah, no. Why is everything extended? What the fuck? How do I minimize everything? I don't know how to do that in Visual Studio. But okay. Okay, power plug. I mean, it doesn't need anything, right? The lamp, it doesn't have a manual override or anything. There we go, done. That should be it already. Whatever I did there, I just integrated it so it can be interacted with. Maybe. Okay, there's the wall light. It's called lamp. It doesn't have a name though. I want a name. I need to name all of these. Just a second. If I need to connect them, I at least want to give them names. So this one here is called terminal block. This one is called main fuse. This one here is called, wait, they need to get names. I'm an idiot. F1. This one here is X0. I call that, I think this is X0, makes sense. X1. This will be F2. If this is F1, this is T1. This is F2, I guess. This is PB1. This is... Oh, Control MO? Ooh, thanks. That's a lot. That's a stupid shortcut. I don't like 3-letter. I will not remember it, but thank you. I don't like 3-letter shortcuts. Lights were P, right? Then just delete that. I deleted this. Is it P? I'm gonna... Give me a second. So, okay, electrical engineering, table standards, formulas. Yeah. Lights were P, right? I would Google it, but I don't know. I'm English right now, and I think this book is English. Yeah. Where do I frickin' go? No. Kind of, yes. Electrical installation, safety, energy supply, no. Information and communication technology systems, no. Automation, drive, and control. Kind of. No. Materials connecting, no. The company, no. Fuck off, company. Looking good. Keep up the good work. Thanks, Canada. Buy back for my bonus dollar. Yay! Button is S. PB, S. You're right. S is manual activation. S was manual activation. PB, I always say that for push button. You're right. S is manual activation. Mathematics, physics, theory of components and circuitry. It's P, right, Nikolai? I think it's P, yeah. Subscript science. I'm still gonna look that up here. Quantities and units. No. Mathematical symbols. No, almost there. See, I Canada. I'll also not go for too long. I will save now and then I'll push the version. I can't fucking find it. I hate formula books, man. What I want? Anlagenkennzeichen. Anlagenkennzeichen. According to the DIN 81346. There we go. This one. I could have just Googled it. P is Darstellung von Information. Yeah, P is information. You can't see it. It's German, but P is information. I think E is the old standard. Liefern von Strahlungsenergie oder Wärmeenergie. No, I think E. I also knew E, but that's in the old standard. They changed it, I don't know, 10 years ago or so. It does have a lot of heat energy though, but nah. It's P now. We'll decide for P. P1. Oops. This one was S1, right? And not just S here. Okay. Will it work? I have literally no idea if it... there's one thing I still should check. In Denmark, it's P according to the European norm. It's not just the DIN, the Deutsche Industrienorm. It's the European norm. Hey, Rohan. Hi. You hate the designations? Yeah, me too. Me too. Let's push that up a little bit. A little bit higher. To the left. That looks neat. Okay. So let's see if I can connect it, and then I'll upload it. I'll give you the homework. It doesn't work 100% yet because of the voltage of this block. This block doesn't work 100% yet. I'll fix it, but I won't do it now. As you can tell, I'm already... I don't want to look down all the time. As you can tell, I'm getting tired a little bit. I'm sorry. I had a cold last week, so I couldn't really stream and rest a lot. So I'll rest every day these days. No one knows how to call this stuff. Yeah. As long as you keep the standard and keep always the same standard, should be fine. So, okay, I want to use this for distribution. I actually didn't need this. Now I want to use it, though. So this I want to connect to the... How did I call this one? How did I fucking call this one? X0, okay. X0 to the neutral of X0. So all of these should have now 0 potential. They should all be grounded. So I can connect this already there. So neutral should be connected to X1. And then everything except for the first, because that's already connected. Let's take the fifth. Now the 5 should be connected to neutral. That's perfect. That works. Okay. Now this one here should be connected to L1. X0, L1. Boop. There we go. Here, this L1 should be connected to the output of the fuse, which is F1. Was it F1 or F0? It's F1 because we don't have an F0. Do we have F1 and F0? F1 out. It's green. Look at this. It's green. It's green. And now if I turn this off, it's off. And now I think, in theory, if I now disconnect this one here from the power source, it should turn red. I won't test it because I'm not... I don't want to test the block. You can test it once I uploaded it. So if I connect this now here. So the in here goes to T1, 1L plus, sure. The output from this will go to S1. Man, I love this connecting thing here. S1 and then normally open... Why does it have 2 normally opens? I mean, fine. Normally open 13. The output, the normally open 14, will go to the lamp that we called P something, to L of the P. And the N of the lamp will go to the power supply. So let's say T L minus. There we go. So if I press the button now, in theory, the lamp should be on. If that works, if not, it's not really unexpected, I gotta say. Let's on. Look at this. The press doesn't really work. The latch on does. Woohoo! I can't believe it. I literally cannot believe it. So the push button. One thing I wanted to do with the push button, deactivate the... Deactivate the push because it doesn't work. Push button. Use button 1. No. Don't want it. That works. Yeah, good job. Thanks, Alex. Thank you. God, I didn't know. I didn't think it would work. Yeah, latch on, latch off. That's enough for now. Because the press doesn't really work. I can't believe it. I can leave that in. I'll call this buggy. This is still buggy, so yeah. I think I'll upload this and then you can play around with it. And then I'll call it a day because it's been fun. It's been fun though. Mechatronic. Wait. I want to do one thing beforehand. Cancel. Build settings. No. Preferences. Project settings. That's what I want to do. No, preferences? Project settings? This is wrong. This is not the thing. No, not preference. What? Am I stupid? Isn't it project settings? I was correct. I want to rename it, actually. Physics. No, I don't want physics. Package manager. Name of the package? No. Adaptive performance. What is all of this shit? It's got a name somewhere. Test thingy. There. That's what I want. Hega Morl is the company. Is it to simulate projects like Factory? Kind of, yeah, Nikolai, yeah. But way more. In Factory IO, you don't care about the electrical stuff so much. I want to add that as well. But it's still a long way. Not too long, but still a long way. Maybe a year. Don't know. Hey, Arbes. Hi. Mechatronics Simulator, I'll call it. Version 0.0.1. There we go. Oh, it is a default icon. We could draw an icon. Ooh, not yet. It could be my face. Yes. Could be my face. Look at all the stuff. Look at all the stuff that I have in the project. Hand. No. We need to. I need to edit now. I've got assets passive textures. No, asset passive. Yeah, it's gonna get my face on it. Like my channel icon, the yellow, the one with the yellow background. I don't know if I have it somewhere, but I should have it somewhere. I don't know where. There it is. It's a beaut. It's beautiful. Can I just drag and drop that there? Hell yes. Hell, default cursor. Can I make this the cursor? I don't want to. Okay, perfect. Okay, build settings. Let's build the bad boy. Why is it still... Oh, because that's the scene. No, that's the name of the project. I have to rename. Oh no, renaming it is actually a pain in the ass. It doesn't matter. Hey David, what's up? I haven't seen you in some time. I thought you, I don't know, went on and explore the world now. How you doing? What was I doing a second ago? Great. I want to publish it. Freigaben. Factory sim? No. DKit. No. How do I call it? Fuck. Tank simulation? No. I don't know. 01. 1 second. Hey, karaoke. I forgot. You can't. Hey, karaoke. Oh, you've been wiping a lot of butts. Are you doing something like in how's it called? Altensorge? I don't know. God damn it. Did I build it? Is that the build thing? Pflegefachmann. Oh, wirklich in Pflege auch noch. I don't know if I could do that because I'm not good with people. I don't know if I would have a problem like with wiping butts or so, but I don't like people. Like, I am not like, if you would meet me like in person, I'm not good with people. Like David, you've met me. It was probably okay because it was my job, but nah, not too good. I'm not too good with people. How big is it? It's still like what? It's so small still, the project. It's crazy. I've got like 100 million things added to it now. It's still such a small project. If it comes to like size. I see about you. I'm not that much. How old do you think I am, man? How old do you think I am? I'm not that old. Let's see if this works. God, the sensitivity is way too high. That's okay. So that works, that works. I can connect, can I search? DSA won't work. X1. I can work. Boggy. Perfect. V 0.0.1. So I will give you the down. It's 60 megabytes. How is it 60 megabytes? Crazy. It's crazy how small it is. So I'll publish it. I'll make a post about it. 8 years. Yeah, 8 years older. Yeah. That means I retire with what? Like, my retirement plan is actually 61. So I'll probably retire around 60, actually. And then 8 years, that's 68. I will not be in a nursing home or anywhere where I need Pflege with 68. I hope I won't. Of course, fingers crossed, like knocking on wood. I hope I won't. So share this file. No. You cannot. Jeder mit diesem Link. Okay. Copy the link. I got a link now. You retire with like 67. The thing is, I have a like I really have a retirement plan. It's not like yeah. Yeah. I'm German. I'm as German as they go. Okay, let's put the link here. Okay, I'll make a separate post on my social media, which means on YouTube. But here, you can download that bad boy right here. I guess. Let me actually check it. Before I have posted, I should have checked it. You can. There you go. You download it. You unzip it. You put it in. You start it up. Done. Windows PC help check. I wanted to check my PC if I can run Windows 11. I can upgrade to Windows 11. Is my face, Mechatronics Simulator. If that works now, I'll call it a day. This was fun. We actually made a lot of progress. Every time. Whenever I stream this, we're making a lot of progress. Hey, look at the fuse. It's actually the correct colors now. Okay, here's your homework. It works. Controls are still the same as last time. Everything works fine. Your homework. Oh yeah, you get homework from me. Did I ever give homework, David? You could finish everything in a lesson. How to rob your company in the last workdays? To rob my company? I don't. I'm cool with my boss, so no, I won't rob anyone. Probably. I don't know. That's still 30 years. Is it 30? It's 27 years. Oh God. Oh God. Oh, I'm half retired. I'm way over half retired. Oh God, I'm old. Okay. So you've got the link. You guys can play around with the thing. I'll put the link in somewhere else as well, in a post or so. Thank you for joining. Right. What else is there to say? Play around with it. We're making progress. I'll let you know when we've got more. I'll keep on going with this. And thanks for joining. Stay safe, stay healthy. I'll see you in the next one. Enjoy the rest of your day. And yeah, bye-bye. Bye. Bye. See ya.